देखती क्यों माँ की ममता, कुछ नहीं कर पाती है, चुपचाप क्यों है फिर ये जनता। आदमी इंसान है या बन गया हैवान वो, देखकर बच्चों को ऐसे कुछ नहीं करता है वो। सोचता है यार ये तो दूसरों का पुत्र है, सोचता है यार ये तो दूसरों का पुत्र है। हमसे क्या मतलब है ये भूखा रहे या फिर मरे, जिंदगी जीता है अपना वो बड़े ही शान से, जिंदगी जीता है अपना वो बड़े ही शान से। करता है हैवानियत पर वो भी है इंसान से, पर वो भी है इंसान से, पर वो भी है इंसान से। इस दुनिया के लोगों से बस इतनी गुजारिश करते हैं, इस दुनिया के लोगों से बस इतनी गुजारिश करते हैं, खत्म कर दो ऐसी परिस्थिति। बस इतनी सिफारिश करते हैं, बस इतनी सिफारिश करते हैं।
In the last scene of this play, it is being shown that the reporter, responsible persons, public are taking photos and making videos. No one helping the beggars, but all men are not seen. There is a man in the form of engineer help the beggars, not gave food, water, and also gave money for his use. So guys, once again, give a huge round of applause for this act.
The play really depicts the spirit and values of modern youth, and we all can connect easily with it. Please show some love for this. Now we would like to talk about modern India and its heroes.
Modern India. Modern India is a test of two middle ground philosophies as an early proponent of non-alignment in international politics. India has attempted to establish a position between Western and Oriental states. Now I will talk about some heroes of modern India. Our hero is Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Raja Ram Mohan Rai is called the father of modern India. In recognition of his efforts making social, educational and political reform, crusaded against Hindu custom, sati, polygamy, child marriage and the caste system. Next hero is A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami. Abhay Arvind Bhaktivedanta Swami was an Indian spiritual teacher and the founder Acharya of ISKCON. For Krishna consciousness, commonly known as the Hare Krishna movement, member of ISKCON, as a representative and the messenger of Krishna Chaitanya.
Now we will have an interview of A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami in USA by a reporter in 70s, followed by a dance performance. This scene is enacted by Akansha and Amit.
Swamiji, what brings you to USA? What is your philosophy?
I brought the message of love of God.
And what is that?
The message of love of Godhead is to know who we are, who the Godhead is, and our relationship with Him. We want people to develop love with God.
How, Swamiji?
It can be simply achieved by the chanting of holy name of God. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Now our performance is done. Now the dance performance is beginning.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Krishna Govinda Gopala, Krishna Govinda Govinda Gopala, Krishna Murari Manohare Nandalala, Krishna Murari Manohare Nandalala.
Thank you for your appreciation. Now our next hero is A.R. Rahman. Our next hero is A.R. Rahman. On January 6th, yesterday, he celebrated his 55th birthday. He is winner of 2 Oscars, 2 Grammy, 1 Golden Globe, 6 National Awards and 15 Filmfare Awards. Now we can say that we don't have any second A.R. Rahman. Now our next hero is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He served as the 11th President of India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was the defense scientist and popularly known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology.
Our next hero is Harnath Kaur Sandhu. Harnath Kaur Sandhu is an Indian beauty pageant title holder who was crowned Miss Universe 2021 and previously crowned Miss Diva Universe 2021.
We will have a performance of final interview of Harnas Kaur Sandhu at Miss Universe pageant. This interview is enacted by Akash as an interviewer and Pratigya as Harnas Kaur Sandhu. What advice?
What advice would you give to young women watching on and how to deal with the pressure they face today?
Well, I think the biggest pressure the youth of today is facing is to believe in themselves. Know that you are unique and that's what makes you beautiful. Stop comparing yourself with others and let's talk about the more important things that's happening worldwide. I think this is what you need to understand. Come out, speak for yourself because you are the leader of your life. You are the voice of your own. I believed in myself and that's why I am standing here today. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, our next hero is Mahendra Singh Dhoni, popularly known as Maggie. Who captained India from 2007 through 17. He led India to victory first ever ICC T20 World Cup. He is captain of CSK based team on IPL. Next slide. Our next hero is Mithali Raj. She is the captain of Indian women's cricket team. In July 2017, she became the first ever player to score 6,000 runs in women's one-day international matches. In 2021, she was awarded with a Khel Ratna Award by the President of India.
Now I would like to bring you an enactment of interview conducted as soon the Mithali Raj was awarded with the Khel Ratna. The interviewer is Prem and the Mithali Raj role was played by Akanksha.
आज आपके लिए कितना बड़ा दिन है?
ये काफी खास दिन है क्योंकि वुमेन क्रिकेट के लिए बहुत बड़ी रिकॉग्निशन है और थैंक्स टू बीसीसीआई और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया कि एक वुमेन क्रिकेटर को ये अवार्ड दिया जा रहा है एंड इट इज आल्सो बिकॉज वुमेन क्रिकेटर का जो भी सीनियर है मेरे जिन्होंने इस स्पोर्ट को जारी रखा 90s में ताकि काफी लड़कियां उस वक्त ये स्पोर्ट्स लें और आगे भी आई थिंक ये रिकॉग्निशन के तौर पे आगे छोटे जो बच्चे हैं गर्ल्स जिनको पैशन है क्रिकेट खेलने का उनके लिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म की तरह है और वो आगे भी देख सकते हैं कि वो इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं और सम्मानित भी हो सकते हैं अगर वो भारत के लिए अच्छा खेले।
थैंक यू मैम।
Now our next hero is Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Prime Minister of India. He is the strong and the powerful leader across the globe. Honorable Chairman, sir. Our next hero is Honorable Chairman, sir. Honorable Chairman, sir, of SR Group, our hero inspiring us and encouraging us daily by his energy and passion to serve the society. Now we bring you a short play depicting the transformation in our life in sparing of faith, health, technology and entertainment, followed by a dance performance by Amitesh and team. Please enjoy the short play and the performance.
reminds us about modern technology that made India modern. And it tells about the difference between the modern India and the Indias of 1980s. Most of the people might fulfill with a question that why we need modern India? What are the benefits of modern India? What are the requirements to make India modern? This first scene of play describes mindset of people about the hypothetical things. Now move towards scene first. This first scene set in a middle class family house where two sisters and one brother is talking. So put your hand together for the wonder performance.
If you want a bright future, you have to focus on the present. In the planning for bright future, we miss the beauty and joy of present. In fact, from today onwards, you have to start from beginning. A for apple. B for
Bipasha.
stop talking nonsense, Prem.
Sorry, go on.
Pratigya, are you suffering from fever?
Yes, ma'am, I am suffering from fever. I am not feeling comfortable. I am feeling weakness also.
Prem, go and call her elder brother.
Okay, I am going to take care.
What happened here? Oh Pratigya, are you comfortable?
Oh brother, she is suffering from fever and weakness from long time.
Oh God, why always we are suffering from these type of tension? Help us God.
Tension run when Baba come. Tension run Baba.
Don't take tension when Baba is here.
No need to tell problem to Baba. Baba is fully automatic. Baba?
Come here. Yes, Baba. Shut up, nonsense. I am talking to the spirit inside the body.
Sorry Baba. Sorry.
Come here. Okay, it's very lazy and very tired spirit.
She is so lazy, that's why.
So you can now.
Okay, you have to attend the Baba's Sri Darbar at tomorrow 7:30 am. प्रेम से बोलिए टेंशन नन बाबा की टेंशन नन बाबा की
The people of older year believe this type of Baba. That's why India take time to become modern. Let's see what happened in Baba's Darbar.
This is Baba's problem Sri Darbar. Without tension, say it calmly. Tension none Baba ki. Tension none Baba ki. Tension none Baba ki. Tension none Baba ki. Baba is fully automatic and Baba know all the solutions of all the problems. Baba is not a man. Baba is super. Tension and Baba ki. Tension and Baba ki. This Darbar of Baba have certain rules. Number one, when Baba shake her head right to left, that means Baba know all the problems of yours and your solution have been prepared. Second, when Baba give no reaction, that means Baba have to suggest God. Whenever God catch in any problem, the God have to take suggestion from Baba. So prem se boliye tension on Baba ki. So let's start the first KBC round. Who is the first lucky one? Yeah.
Babaji, I heard you can walk on water.
Yeah, Baba can walk on water. टेंशन न बाबा की टेंशन न बाबा की ये देखा पहला चमत्कार बाबा प्लीज Who
I have seen. Don't hear the rumor. Stay to your goal. Immediately say what you want.
Baba, I love a girl which.
Oh, now you come on the real point. You want a job because of love. Okay. God. Your solution is straight go to your home and there is in front of your house a cow is standing and she was going to deliver a shit. That shit of cow containing dhan, your money, your salary. So go to your home and get the dhan. Don't let you drop it.
Question please. Who is the second one? Yeah.
Babaji, if you know all the solutions of problem, then why not you meet Supreme Court chief? So many cases are pending. You can solve them because you know all the solutions of problem.
Okay, Baba's on time.
Stop,
10 seconds, Baba.
stop, Baba.
10 seconds, Baba. Baba's yesterday's case.
Yes.
Baba, please help us. I am suffering from fever.
Yes.
People having respect for these type of babas because people of that time believe and know awareness about they having technology. So what we are doing? After so many times, India finally reached or converted into modern India. Now move towards scene 3. This scene having main motive and idea of